Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I have my 2015 Chevrolet Corvette. So I got 39,500 miles on this car, as it's my main car that I drive. So this car has been a great car without any problems, no issues other than the instrument cluster lighting up like a Christmas tree. That's glitched out like 2 or 3 times, but simply shutting it off and turning it back on was the fix. So other than those little ghosts showing up, that's it. It hasn't had any other problems, but I believe it's got its first actual problem. So going down the road sounds like a roaring noise. So I picked up on this noise a few days ago. I don't know if it'll be a noise that'll be able to reflect itself on dash cam, just because we got wind noise, tire noise. But even right there, we hear that roaring noise, and it don't make a difference on or off the throttle. So I suspect that it's a wheel bearing, only because if I'm going on a curvy road, the noise kind of changes pitch as I'm turning the wheels. So I was able to tell a difference in the noise as I was turning. So just putting a different load pressure on the bearings as I'm going around the corners, and that's able to make the noise change. So I just got to figure out which one of the 4 wheel bearings is causing the noise. I'm gonna get it up on the lift. Maybe it'll have play. And then if not, maybe by spinning the wheels, I might be able to hear the bad bearing. So I had the car on the lift, and it was kind of tricky because there was no play in any of the wheels. Once I got the wheel spinning at a decent speed, I was able to pinpoint it to the left rear because it had a roaring noise, and the passenger side was good. My local parts store or the dealership didn't have the bearing in stock, so I had to order it. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna let this car sit, and then I'll make a follow-up video when the part comes in. I think it won't be any big deal. It's just a bolt-on style. There are some designs, you gotta have a press, you gotta press them in, press them out. At that point, I would have to get a shop to replace it, but this setup is pretty simple. It's something that I'll do myself and should be no big deal. And I think this car has been great, considering 6 years old, 39,000 miles, and this is the first problem it's had. So definitely a great car. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna let this car sit until the part gets here, and then I'll make a follow-up video. So thanks for watching.